Hey, this is Liz again. In this video, I want to make another part of the most common cyber attacks. So here I am, want to discuss another 3 attacks, and it will be SQL injection, phishing attack, and wait, give me a second. Ransomware. Yeah, sorry, it's my bad. It's okay. So let's start it. So let's start with phishing attack. The phishing attack is a cyber attack where the hacker pretends like trustworthy person or business to attempt to steal sensitive financial or personal information through fraudulent emails or instant messages. And now, how to prevent it? We can prevent it by use firewall, use anti-phishing toolbar, and use antivirus software, verify the site security, and the most important thing, don't enter sensitive information to the website that you don't know. So yeah. So now let's move to another attack, and it's SQL attack. So it's a code injection attack where the attacker manipulate the data that's being sent to the server to execute malicious statements to control the web app database, thereby deleting, modifying, accessing unauthorized data. And this attack mainly used to take over the database. And now we can prevent it by validate user input, use stored procedures, and use prepared statements. So that's it for this attack, and now let's move to another attack. So finally, and the last one in the list is ransomware attack, and it's a type of malicious software malware designed to encrypt files or lock the user out of their system until the ransom is paid. And it typically spreads through phishing emails containing malicious attachments or links. And we can prevent it by regular data backup, email filtering, keep the software updated, use antivirus, anti-malware software, and security awareness training. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more, and if you have any question, please comment down below. Thank you.